7. It's a John Deere 410E backhoe loader. Motor sounds great. It's a 4.5 liter. It's an enclosed unit. All the windows are good. The AC blows, but not as cold, but it blows. The cylinders look good. The city decided to buy another unit because this one, the hub, was damaged and they never refixed it. So as you can see, it's rusted. It's been sitting out here for quite some time. So it needs to be repaired. This is a 4x4 unit. That is the only reason why it stopped here, because it was in use. It has very low hours. It shows normal wear and tear. It actually looks pretty good for being a 2000. As you can see, the motor is like a sewing machine. Let me show you. All the hoses look good. Sounds really good. The tires look worn. They still have some thread, but not much. The boom looks good. All the hoses look good. The cylinders look good. This window's open, but it's in good shape. It's up there with the wiper. Let me show you inside. The front tire here looks more worn than the other side. Okay. The seat showed some wear. All the windows are good. I'm going to show you the hours. It's got 1,463 hours. Motor sounds sweet. Sounds really good. All the controllers are in place. Steering wheel looks good. Headliner looks good. The window looks good. Sliding window. See, like I said, the AC is blowing, but not as cold as I would like it. And the controllers for the bucket, for the backhoe. All right. Well, that's pretty much it. Good luck. Like I said, the hub is bad. It needs a new hub. So the city doesn't want to deal with it anymore. Remember, you are responsible for all your loading when you come and retrieve this vehicle. All right. Well, good luck. It's been running for over half an hour and it sounds great.